Welcome to Ati's Education. Today we are going to solve practice set 9. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's learn how to solve it. The question number 1 is convert into improper fractions. There are 5 mixed numbers are given here, and we have to convert it into improper fraction. Let's solve it. For first question, convert into improper fractions. The first mixed number is given to us 7 and 2 upon 5. Now identify 5 is a denominator, 2 is a numerator, and 7 is a whole number. So we are going to multiply whole number by denominator and add in it a numerator. Let's look. 7 multiplied by 5 plus 2 divided by denominator, that is 5. Here we are take a formula as a whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. W multiplied by D plus and divided by T. Remember this formula. So let's do the operations here. First of all, we have to multiply 7 by 5. The number we get is 35 plus 2 divided by 5. Let's add 35 plus 2 is 37 upon 5. So the improper fraction here we get is 37 upon 5. Next mixed number is 5 and 1 upon 6. 5 and 1 upon 6. So 5 is a whole number, 6 is denominator, and 1 is a numerator. Let's multiply whole number with denominator. 5 multiplied by 6 and add in it numerator, that is 1, divided by again denominator, that is 6. Let's do the operations. 5 multiplied by 6, the product we get 30 plus 1 divided by 6. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 divided by 6. This is the solution for second sub question. Now third question. 4 and 3 upon 4. 4 and 3 upon 4. So here 4 is whole number, this 4 is denominator and 3 is numerator. Let's multiply whole number with denominator. 4 multiplied by 4, add in it numerator, that is 3, and divide it by denominator, that is 4. 4 fours are 16 plus 3, and the denominator is 4. Just add 16 plus 3, we get the number 19 upon 4. This is our solution for 4 and 3 upon 4. Now the next number is 2 and 5 upon 9. 2 and 5 upon 9. So multiply whole number by denominator and add in it a numerator. Divide it again by denominator. 9 twos are 18 plus 5 divided by 9. 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 divided by 9. Last mixed number we have here 1 and 5 upon 7. So for fifth question, 1 and 5 upon 7, the improper fraction we get is 1 multiplied by 7 plus 5 divided by 7. 1 sevens are 7 plus 5 divided by 7. The number we get here is 12 upon 7. This is the improper fraction for 1 and 5 upon 7. Now look at the second question. Convert into mixed numbers. The first fraction we get here is 30 upon 7. Write it. Question 2. First sub question 30 upon 7. Just write it in division form, that is 30 divided by 7. So we get here, 7 sevens are 7, 7 fives are 35, and 7 fours are 28. So right here 28, subtract it from 30, we get the number 2. So 2 is our remainder. 4 is our quotient. 7 is our divisor, and 30 is our dividend. For writing an improper fraction into mixed fraction, we are using remainder, quotient, and divisor. Remainder as a numerator, divisor as a denominator, and quotient as a whole number. So write it. Our whole number is 4. Remainder is 2. We write it in a numerator place, and our divisor is 7. So the mixed number we get here is 4 and 2 upon 7. Now the next question is 7 upon 4. Right here 7 upon 4. Just write it in divisional form. That is 7 divided by 4, and let's divide 7 by 4. 4, 8, 12. Here I write the table of 4. For 7, we have divided by 1. 4 ones are 4. While subtracting 7 minus 4, the difference we get here is 3. So 3 is our remainder. We write it as a numerator. 1 is our quotient. We write it as a whole number, and 4 is our divisor. We write it as a denominator. So let's write the mixed number we get here is 1 and 3 upon 4. Now the third question is 15 upon 12. Just write as a division form. 15 divided by 12. So here I write the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. Here the dividend we have 15, and the number near to 15 is 12. So we are going to divide 15 by 12 ones are 12. While subtracting 12 from 15, we get the answer 5 minus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. 3, and 3 is our remainder. We write it as a numerator. 1 is our quotient. We are going to write it as a whole number, and 12 is our divisor. We are going to write it as a denominator. So let's write. Our whole number is 1, our numerator is 3, and denominator is 12. 1 and 3 upon 12 is the answer for 15 upon 12. The next is 11 upon 8. Just write it as a division form. 11 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So the number in 8's table near to 11 is 8. So we are going to divide it by 1. 8 ones are 8. Subtract it from 11. The number we get here is 3 while subtracting. So 3 is our remainder, 1 is our quotient, and 8 is our divisor. So the whole number is 1, numerator is 3, and denominator is 8. So the mixed number here is 1 and 3 upon 8. Fifth question is 21 upon 4. Let's divide it. (21) divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 sixes are 24. So the number near to 21 is 20. So we are going to divide it by 5. 4 fives are 20. The difference we get here is 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is our numerator, this is our whole number, and this is our denominator. Just write it in mixed number form. That is 5 and 1 upon 4. The last question in second question is 20 upon 7. 20 upon 7. Let's divide 20 upon 7. 20 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So the number near to 20 is 14. The answer here we get is, fifth question is 20 upon 7. Let's divide it. 20 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. The number near to 20 is 14 for division. So let's divide it by 2. The difference here we get is 6. So 6 is our numerator, 2 is our whole number, and 7 is our denominator. So the next number we get here is 2 and 6 upon 7. Now question number 3. Write the following examples using fractions. Here we are not going to solve these two questions. They told us just write them by using fractions. How to solve it? The first question is, if 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person get? We have to just write here 9 kg rice divided between How many people? 5 people. So write 5 as a denominator and kg, kilogram here. The second question is to make 5 shirts of the same size. How many shirts we are going to make? 5 shirts. 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? So finding out how much cloth is needed for one shirt, we have to divide 11 by 5 because we are making 5 shirts from 11 meters. So the answer for second question is 11 divided by 5 meters. This is the solution of our practice set 9. I hope you understand it. Do subscribe my channel and see you in next video.